One of the crucial discussions when it comes to psychoanalysis and art is about the role of mental disorders in the creative power of artists. My opinion is that personality diseases are an obstacle to the talent, not an aid as usually considered. The artist himself, as any human being, risks to identify his creativity with his disease. My opinion is based on the fact that a personality disease is other than pain, sorrow, or disappointment. The letters are for sure part of the creativity as far as they are a free emotional flow, while personality diseases are obstacles to the inner freedom to feel and express emotions. Unfortunately, the majority of people cannot perceive this distinction, bearing their diseases as inexorable fate. We should imagine Munch's art as the expression of the parts of his personality that were not affected by his diseases, as the parties that fought against the diseases. Munch confirms this opinion with his own words. I am of the opinion, however, that my art is not sick. When I paint, sickness and suffering are on the contrary a healthy resource.